Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back. Part 6. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Yes, part 6. We are going to be reconstructing the frame. So putting all the metal back in that we've cut off or was bent and needs to be replaced. We've got our major parts fixed and straight. We got to do a few things up front. There was a comment about why we only welded half of that main 4-inch bar and why we didn't sleeve it. That's because we are going to replace it fully. We're going to cut the whole thing out and put a whole solid bar back in. So that's why we only did it partly. We just did that so that it wouldn't pull the frame as we tried to pull it or push it. So this episode or part is going to be all about getting these bars back in. We're going to try to get as much metal back on the frame to where it will be completed and finished. So thank you guys for subscribing. Please hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, ring that bell so that you get all the notifications when we put out new content. And you never know, we sometimes give away free t-shirts, so just hit us up, give us some comments, tell us what you think, what you don't like, what you do like, and we'll go from there. So let's get into this thing. Alright guys, as you saw, we're prepping to put said doorpost in. So, said doorpost. Goes in here. It's one of those that you have to look kind of carefully because it doesn't go straight up and down. It actually has about a 5-degree outward slant. So we have to cut it at an angle. But we're going to get it, well, it's actually pretty close. So we're going to get it in here, we're going to get it close. Do some tack welds, get the right angles that we need, and we're going to go from there.
Clippers. So that way we're not,
Damn.
Well, I guess there's not a lot of anything you gotta do, is there? Wow. All right.
Ship it.
Oh yeah, because you said that other side was at 86.
This actually needs to go closer here though. Ooh, I lost some height on that.
So what are we gonna do to fix that?
Well, I think it's laid over that way.
You think this?
Slanted. Let's see, we're 2 degrees off. Oh, 1 degree off. Suck, I'm just not as practiced as Adam. this loose. Alright, so while Adam and I and Ashley all went for a swim, Gilly decided to keep working. So we got the windshield mount back on. He's got one of the lower 3/4 bars back on. What we're going to work on now is getting this this back on, and we're going to work on that one. We're going to work on coming in and putting this dash bar back on. So we're going to cut the old one off, bend a new one, and that's what we're going to work on. We need to get that done so we can put this upper top bar in. So
That's a bit short.
off to work. I'm going to put some shoes on.
No more safety sandals, film crew. Film crew's flipping me off and I'm wearing shoes.
Okay, so that just...
What angle is this supposed to be bent at?
Yes.
Exactly.
Working.
It looks like fun.
It's not. I figure if it comes out a little lumpy, we'll just put it in between and we'll do it like that. A little bit harder than conduit?
No,
No?
it's just super easy.
Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got a cut.
Well,
All right, so what you're seeing us play with right here is we're creating more room in a little tiny foot box. So we have the option, because these bars aren't welded in from the factory, we have the option to be able to move them. So we're going to move them. We're mainly just going to move the clutch and brake pedal over. What are we talking, an inch? An inch. An inch to the outside, just to give some more room, so you can have a little more room in the toe box is really what it is. So that's what we're doing. So it's going to take a little bit, but we're going to get it. Cool.
Gravy.
All right. So
making sure everything's
all
in
right.
there.
Climb in, race car driver.
Thank you for dinner, Melissa.
Well, it's going to be way better.
Thank you.
You make the pedal high. You only have to push it, but that
Way
far.
harder.
Go all the way in, really, because we can even be higher than that.
Yep.
Because it could be like right there.
This is actually, I mean, it's actually going to be, if it's close here, we can just readjust the pad over the center of the pedal.
Yeah.
Well, look at the gap.
Yeah, look at the gap we picked up. I mean, these are like normal shoes. And it looks really good. I think that's going to work out perfect.
Are you happy with that?
Perfectly happy. We can live with that. Totally live with that. Got material there. This is pretty good right here. If I'm okay, pretty close.
Go for it. Yeah, go for it. Just
And
tap.
then what about my angle? Put the digital finder on there.
Should be 76-ish. Tack
Close
it.
enough. Yeah, tack it.
Go.
That's hot.
I'm telling you, we need a shirt that says that's hot.
Do one like maybe down here, and then get one over here if you can get one. We almost out of gas.
Oh yeah.
Here, want me to get it?
Yeah, you get it.
We need a shirt that says that that's hot.
It's still showing pressure.
All right. Well, another long day with torches and welders and whatnot, but look at this.
You made a lot of progress.
Made a lot of progress. We got a race car. Dash bar in. Front reconstructed. We got a little ways to go. We got to finish up some stuff here, but we were able to move the pedals over. So, Adam, you happy?
Yeah, we're closing in on a good weekend of work right here.
Good weekend.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. Getting the whole front body mount bracing back on, it kind of makes it look like it's coming back together finally.
so with this video, guys, we didn't give a lot of updates. We just kind of plugged our head and just went for it. So it's what you get, but it's here we are. We're getting in. We're getting closer. So we'll see you guys in the future. So remember, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button. If you have subscribed, thank you, and don't forget to tell your friends. Don't forget, we got merch. Go hit the website, 520speedworks.com. Get yourself a t-shirt. Help support us. We'll see you guys later.
Thanks, guys.